Is it true that cats purring can heal bones? You might be shocked to learn cats could be natural healers with a secret power hidden in their purrs. Let's uncover what science really says about this fascinating claim. Cats produce purrs typically between 25 and 150 hertz. Studies have shown that sound waves in this frequency range can stimulate bone growth and repair. This is why some researchers suggest that a cat's purr could have a therapeutic effect on bones. It's not just a coincidence. The vibration frequencies match those used in physical therapy devices designed to accelerate healing. In various studies, low-frequency vibrations similar to a cat's purr have been used to speed up the healing of bone fractures and reduce swelling in humans and animals. Although direct evidence that cats purring heals human bones is limited, the idea that purring helps cats heal themselves is widely accepted. Their purring may reduce pain, inflammation, and aid recovery by stimulating bone growth. Beyond bones, purring seems to have multiple health benefits. It can lower stress levels in cats, promoting relaxation and healing. Some studies suggest purring vibrations may improve lung function and reduce symptoms of respiratory issues. This means the purr is a multi-purpose tool for cats' health, not only a communication signal, but also a natural healing mechanism. So is it true that cats purring can heal bones? While not a magic cure, their purr's vibrations align with frequencies known to promote bone growth and healing. It's a remarkable example of nature's hidden powers. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had and keep discovering fascinating facts with us.